Missing progress, but where's it at? I don't want you to feel like a failure. I know this hurts, but I gave you your chance to deliver. Now it's my turn. Don't get me wrong. Nature had a great way, but it's time to give the people something different. So without further ado, I like to introduce my album. My album. Hope. What's my definition of success? Listening to what your heart says. Standing up for what you know is not what everybody else says. Keep it between